When the did this happen, Payal?
I don't know.
I don't know मतलब क्या? I'm asking you a question.
And even I didn't believe it यार. मैं 3 बार ही check कर चुकी हूँ and you just came out, so चिल्लाओ मत मुझ पे.
मैं चिल्ला नहीं रहा हूँ यार, Payal. This can't happen to us, yeah.
I know. I mean, what did we do to deserve this, right?
I always make sure that nothing like this ever happens to us, Payal. I'm usually extra cautious. In fact, we both are.
Tarun.
Okay, you don't worry. I'll handle this. Hello? Hello, yes, customer care. Yeah, what the hell? मेरे घर पे इंटरनेट क्यों नहीं चल रहा है? Customer ID 5202. How long? It's been a minute. A couple of minutes actually. It's been 5 minutes. Yeah. Do you even know what it feels like to be without the Wi-Fi for 5 minutes? Huh? और मेरे एरिया में मोबाइल नेटवर्क भी नहीं होता साला. Payal, I think I'm feeling a little bit dizzy now.
Me too, yeah.
Wait, what? It's because of the Wi-Fi not working, no?
Yeah, duh.
Thank God. Okay. हाँ? क्या? अबे तेरे sorry का क्या करूँ मैं bro? Just tell me one thing. Nothing happened to our connection, right? I mean, our router is not dead, right?
I told you we should have switched it off.
One
It's like
second.
you never listen.
What? Our connection is dead, he says, Payal.
No. Why is this happening?
Okay, how long is it gonna take to get it back? 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
What? 10 minutes? क्या करूँ मैं 10 मिनट तक भाई? What's your name? हाँ? Bhairav. Bhairav, can't you make it like a little bit earlier, bro? Please. He's saying at least 10 minutes, yeah, Payal.
How can he say that? Yeah, tell him to do his job.
Tell him to do his job. I'm the one who's calling up. I'm the one who's finding out. You were sitting there doing nothing, Payal.
मैं काम कर रही थी and you just came out, so you just चिल्लाओ मत मुझ पे.
चिल्ला रहे हो मेरे Payal. You've been yelling.
I'm not yelling, yeah.
Yeah, you're yelling throughout, Payal. Payal, shut up.
I need the connection back.
Yeah, we need the connection back. Bhairav, we need the connection back, bro. Yeah, just make it quick. Just make it quick. Yeah.
I'm sure we burned out the router.
No, he said it was the connection, yeah.
You paid the bill.
Yes.
On time, Tarun.
Yes, Payal, I paid the bill on time. Okay. You know what? It's not our fault, Payal. We should not blame ourselves for something that we didn't even do. Whatever is meant to happen will happen. Rami has said this.
Okay, first of all, it's Rumi. Secondly, I really don't think he said that. And thirdly, you really need to stop believing everything you read on Facebook, yeah.
He didn't say it?
No, yeah.
I saw a poster with a man with a beard saying. What were you doing anyway?
Nothing. Just Facebooking, tweeting, Snapchatting, Instagramming, and finishing my PPT, yaar. What were you doing?
Nothing. I was just binge watching Suits, revisiting Walter White, Breaking Bad.
Tarun, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to leave a status on Facebook and tell everyone how shitty this internet provider is now. Wi-Fi just... Shit, yaar, I can't.
Okay. Payal, just calm down, okay? Calm down. The internet will be back in 10 minutes. Bhairav told me that.
Okay, so we just need to calm down for about, 7 minutes? We have 7 minutes left? Okay, so I can accept this situation for 7 minutes. 7 minutes of acceptance, 7 minutes of acceptance, 7 minutes of acceptance. Tarun.
Yeah.
Do you realize we just went through the 7 stages of grief together over our Wi-Fi? What? 7 stages of grief, think about it.
7 stages of grief. Yes. Your mother tagged me in that post on Facebook, remember? It starts with like absolute shock.
Disbelief, right? That goes on to denial.
Yes.
And then it goes into like anger.
Yeah.
And then like bargaining.
Bargain.
Bargain with them.
I did so well, baby.
Exactly.
And then there is
guilt.
Where was the guilt?
Sorry about the router, yeah, we should have
Yes,
switched off at night, this, that,
there was
right?
guilt.
And then finally it moves on to depression. And then final step, acceptance and hope.
So yes, we did together. Nice. Cool. We don't do a lot of things together these days, no?
No, but I mean, you're busy with your work and then I'm busy with mine.
Yeah.
Most of the times when we have some free time on our hand, we want to spend it doing other things, right?
Yeah, but I poke you on Facebook.
Yeah, I've been meaning to ask you about that. What is that supposed to be, like a naughty thing?
Maybe.
Oh God, you remember our first day in this house together?
Of course I do. Nothing was in place, no?
Nothing.
No electricity, nothing to eat.
No Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi. Shit. What did we do the whole day then? How did we even survive?
I don't know, yeah. I think we sort of kept helping each other out with every other household thing that we were doing. And then we cooked together, Tarun.
Yes, we cooked together. But the food was horrible.
So bad.
Yeah, it was really bad. So we ordered Chinese food.
Thank God.
Which was good, which turned out to be really good, yeah. Remember, because we didn't have any internet, we thought we'll call one of our school friends.
Oh yeah.
Remember who I called? Guy with the
Curly hair guy.
Raghu Raman.
Raghu.
Called up Raghu, yes. I remember Raghu as a kid, he had this problem with his speech. He wouldn't pronounce things right. So one day I remember we were playing in the garden, fighting about something, and he gets really pissed off at me and he goes, Tarun, shut up! And we all started laughing at him. We spoke about those days when we would sneak in cigarettes in toilets, drink in toilets.
You went to that boys only wala convent, na?
Yeah. We spoke about Florina ma'am. While Florina ma'am had like really big eyes. Pile.
Right.
You called up Shweta, didn't you?
Shweta, badi yaad hai tumhe? You always had the biggest thing for that girl.
No, I
Please.
didn't.
Even she knew, okay?
She knew it?
Yeah. I'm so sure, Tarun. I'm so sure. The night that we hooked up, you were so drunk, you must have thought I was her. 100%.
You know me so well, Payal. Okay, I'm kidding, Payal. I'm kidding. What did you talk to Shweta about?
Nothing, yeah. That's the thing, no, about like people that you genuinely connect with. I talk to Shweta every now and then, but it always feels like I spoke to her just yesterday.
Did you talk to her after that day?
No. Not since then. What about you? When did you call Raghu last?
Not after that day, huh? Hey, you saw the latest episode of Suits that came out? It's amazing. Harvey and Mike, they work on this case together. Mike gives it to Harvey and then it's like...
Focus! What else do you remember from our first day in this house together? Sorry.
It's okay. I remember everything. So there was no electricity. Okay. Nothing to eat. So we ordered Chinese food.
Yes.
And then we kissed.
No.
What? No, yes, we kissed.
No, we didn't. I'd never kiss you over like garlicky, Chinesey, Shazwani breath.
It didn't matter that day. We kissed, Payal.
Really?
We kissed, yes.
How?
Then we had sex. I mean, we made love.
Yes, and it was amazing.
It was amazing because I was amazing.
No! It was amazing because you didn't go back to your stupid phone. We actually cuddled, you listened to what I had to say, and then it was about 11:30 at night. We went to the beach for a walk, and that is why it was amazing.
The walk. I remember the walk. What time is it?
Almost 11.
We'll go down for a walk, Payal.
I'd love to. Let's go. Come.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
This is Bhairav from HomeNet Services.
Yes,
sir.
Bhairav.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience, sir.
Yes,
I
Bhairav.
hope it's turned on.
Yes, I'm turned on. The connection is turned on, Bhairav.
I'm sorry again. For
Thank
this.
you.
Is there anything else we
No,
can do,
we're
sir?
fine. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sir, we also have a new scheme, sir.
No, we don't have any other Thank you, Bhairav. No schemes. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.
So we got the connection back?
Yeah, we got the connection back. We're still going down for the walk, right, Payal?
Yeah. I'll just send out this email and then we'll go.
Okay. Payal, you should see this cat video. It's damn funny, huh? I'm gonna tag you in it. Payal. Payal. What? Payal. सुना मैंने क्या बोला? Payal, you wanna have sex before we leave?
Shut up.